Okay, now we are drawing this part of screw jack. This was our last part of the screw jack. We can draw this part. So this one is 45 diameters, outer diameters, and then this head was is 65. There was a there was a to 9 millimeters radius. Sorry, diameters to circles. At first we create this casting. Okay, we're going to the at first going to the solid work, then front plane, then run multi. Then going to the sketch. At first we draw a central line for reference. Sketch. Oh, sorry. Okay, wait. Going to there. There is a central line. After this sketch. So the reference there is a 12.50. 12.5. Enter. And this one was 9 millimeter. Skip. So 12.50. So this one is 22.50. 20. Okay, 22.5. Enter. Oh, sorry. Going to the wait. So delete this line. Going to the line command. Then it was 12.50. So this one is 10 millimeter. Enter. After this 10 millimeter. There was a 10 millimeter. This one is 25. This one is 37. So 25 matlab 12.50. So this one is 12.50. This one too are so this one is 6. Okay, wait. Central line. This one is in this position. 6. Enter. Escape. After that so total length was 30 plus 9. This one was 30 or this one was 9. So total length was 39. Okay, going to the SolidWorks. This one is 39. Enter. Escape. After that we create a line there. This is 32.50. Escape. This one is 32.50 because total diameter was 65. Then we go to the line, then enter the line. Escape. Then delete this line. After that select this point. Sorry, going to the offset entity, select this line, and this thickness is 5.76. okay, wait, thickness was there, no, any thickness does not measured, so that was a 5.76. okay, wait, going to the there was 5.76 centimeters. write it. Create a straight line. Okay. Then escape. Then going to the trim commands. Trim this portion or trim. Okay. Or trim. Sorry. No. Wait. Okay, wait. This line. Then join this line. Escape. And also join this line. Escape. So go to the smart dimension at first. Going to the smart dimension. This one, put that one. Sorry, this one, put that one. Okay, skip this one, this one. Skip. Skip. Delete this line. This one to that one. 12.50. Right. This one. Okay, wait. This one is 10 millimeters, so 22.50. Right. This one is 9 millimeter. Okay, right. This one is also 6 millimeter. Right. So this one to this one. Okay. Okay, skip. So this one 56. Okay, this point to this point distance was going to be drawing 39. Okay, now we going to the solid work. Okay, this one is 36. Okay, so this one is skip, delete. This one is 30, 39 and in this position there is a sketch. Delete this line and also delete that line. Going to a straight line. Sketch. Reduction, offset entity. Okay, right. The offset entity. Six for you. Okay. Now we create this line. Okay, escape. Then going to the trim commands. Trim. going to the line command and select this line to clear this hand. Okay. Skip. After that there is a complete. Okay, so my dimension, this one is 39. Okay, write it. This one is okay. Write it. 12, 10. Okay, this distance to that distance. Okay. After that, then features option, select the sketch one, revolve, revolve through this line. Right. Select the font pen, normal through, and then you create a circle, sketch, then you create a circle, 4.5, and sketch. Features, extrude card, wait, sketch 2, extrude card, y direction, there were 10, 20, 30, 40, write it, and then skip. Right, then normal, then you create a circle, sketch maybe a circle, similar way, there was a 4.5, skip positions, then exit from this. After that, going to the features command, select the sketch 3, there was a extrude card, also by direction 2, there was a 40, okay, write it, skip. Okay, at last we done this drawing. Thank you, completed our last part of screw jack.